This is a 2013 annual paper, MCQ, question of 48 and 49. Relevant for CVP analysis. Relevant for CVP analysis. Right. They ask break-even point quantity as well as margin of safety, rupee value they ask. And 49 they ask. I think 49. If 10% reduce selling price and increase unit sales quantity equal 90% of its capacity, they ask what is the increase or decrease in profit. Right, there are two requirements. Right, given from the beginning selling price is given 25,000 as well as budget sales quantity is given 400,000, but it is equal 80% of its capacity. And given budgeted cost of this level of operation. This level of operation mean for sales 400,000, it has given related cost. For sales 400,000 quantity, but it is equal 80% of its capacity. That given direct material, direct labor paid based on number of unit produced. Therefore, those are variable cost. And overhead cost also given. Think overhead, it has given fixed cost as well as variable cost. That first one, try to calculate variable cost per units. Those are relevant for 400,000 quantity. And selling price is given. And total capacity also should be calculated. They ask break-even point quantity and margin of safety rupee value. And second requirement, they ask if selling price decrease 10%, sales quantity increase to 90% of its capacity, they ask what is the increase or decrease in profit. Right, first one, try to calculate variable cost per units before reduce selling price. And you have to calculate contribution per unit also. You have to calculate contribution per units. I think first one, current situation before reduce selling price. Think question on 48 and 49. Right, given selling price is given. Think selling price is equal 25,000. Before reduce selling price is given 25,000 and variable production quantity sales quantity is given. Sales quantity equal 400,000, but 400 it is equal 80% of its capacity. Therefore, can be recognize capacity. Think capacity 400,000 equal 80%. Therefore, divide by 80 into 100. This is the sales capacity 500,000. Right. Now the variable cost per units is not given, but it can be calculated. Think variable cost it has given. Material cost equal 4 million. And direct labor cost also given 2 million. Direct labor cost. As well as variable overhead is given 1 million. So this is the total variable overheads. Those are given for 400,000 quantity. Therefore, variable cost per unit equal rupees 17,500. This is the variable cost per units. Think selling price 25,000 and sales quantity equal to 400 and variable cost when it calculates as the given total fixed cost also. Total fixed cost is given 750,000. This is the information given by the examiner. I think this one very important, variable cost per units. Right, by using those information, can we calculate contribution per units? Therefore, contribution per unit equal selling price minus variable cost. Therefore, selling price is given 25,000. Selling price 25,000. Variable cost per unit equal 17,500. Therefore, this is variable cost per units. Therefore, this is the contribution per units equal rupees 7,500. Contribution per units. But there's question number 48, part A, there's contribution for there's break-even point quantity. Think break-even point quantity and margin of safety rupee value. Therefore, break-even point quantity can be calculated. BEP quantity equal break-even point quantity equal total fixed cost divided by contribution per units. Think total fixed cost equal 750,000. Let us give an example. Total fixed cost and contribution per unit equal selling price minus variable cost 7,500. Therefore, this is the break-even point quantity. Units quantity. Break common 1. This is the part A answer question number 48. 48 break common 1 A. And this margin of set rupee value. Think sales quantity equal 400,000. Break-even point quantity equal 100. Break-even point quantity 100. Therefore, beyond the break-even point, it is called margin of safety. Therefore, margin of safety quantity can be calculated in part B, but there's value. MOS value there's. Therefore, MOS value. How to calculate? Think sales quantity equal 400 minus break-even point quantity. This is the margin of safety quantity into selling price. It has given selling price 25,000. Therefore, beyond the break-even point, it is called margin of safety. Think break-even point quantity, so margin of safety quantity equal 300. Margin of safety quantity equal 300 into selling price. Think beyond the break-even point, it is called margin of safety value. Therefore, margin of safety value equal selling price 25,000 into margin of safety quantity equal 300. Therefore, value equal here rupee value 7.5 million. So this is a margin of safety value. Beyond the break-even point quantity equal 300 into selling price. Right. This is the part B answer. Think question number 48. There's break-even point quantity as well as margin of safety rupee value. Beyond the break-even point, it is called margin of safety. Therefore, sales quantity is given 400. Break-even point quantity equal 100. Beyond the break-even points, margin of safety quantity equal 300 into selling price can be calculated margin of safety value. Right. Question number 49 they ask. Think 49. If selling price reduced 10%, they ask what is effect for net profit. Right. Think how to calculate net profit. First one, try to calculate new selling price. Think new selling price equal, it has given selling price 25,000. Based on that value, deduct 10%. Therefore, 10% equal 2,500. Therefore, can we calculate new selling price equal 22,500? New selling price. This is the first part. And variable cost is not changed. It is equal 17,500. Therefore, can we calculate new contribution per units? New contribution per equal, think selling price equal 22,500 minus variable cost equal 17,500. Therefore, new contribution per equal rupees 5,000. This is the second class, new contribution per units. There's participate for net profit. Right, first one, try to calculate profit current situation. and before reduced selling price. How do the profit? Profit can be calculated total contribution minus total fixed cost. Then this is the profit before reduced selling price. Profit. It can be calculated. Then profit equal total contribution. It is A to calculate total contribution. Then total contribution minus total fixed cost. Total contribution minus total fixed cost can be calculated profit. Then contribution per unit equals 7,500 before reduced selling price, and sales quantity is given 400. Therefore, total contribution can be calculated. Quantity equal 400 and contribution per unit equals 7,500. This is the total contribution, and total fixed cost is given 750,000. Then total contribution before reduced selling price. Therefore, profit equal. Think 400 into 7,500. Total contribution equal 3 million. From that to deduct 750,000. Therefore, profit equal 2,250,000 before reduce the selling price. Very important this part. And after reduce selling price decreased by 10%. New selling price. Think new contribution. And as a result, sales quantity increased to 90% of its capacity. Therefore, capacity equal 500. But as a result of decrease in selling price, sales quantity increased 90% to its capacity. Therefore, 9% equal based on this value. Sales quantity equal 450. This is the quantity. Therefore, now try to calculate profit after reduced selling price. Think profit easy to calculate. Total contribution. Think total contribution minus total fixed cost. Therefore, now think sales quantity equal 450, contribution per unit equal 5,000 now after reduced selling price. Therefore, contribution per unit equal 5,000, sales quantity equal 450. This is the total contribution, but total fixed cost it has not changed 750,000. Therefore, net profit after reduced selling price. Therefore, 5,000 into 450. Therefore, total contribution equal now 2,250,000. From that value, deduct 750,000. Therefore, this is the profit. Therefore, profit equal 15,000, 1,500,000. This is profit after reduced selling price, and this is profit before reduced selling price. Therefore, there's effect for profit, net impact of profit. There's increase or decrease in profit. Think difference value equal 750,000. Profit decreased by. Think profit decreased by. Therefore, 9 answer. Profit decreased by 750,000. Think after reduced selling price. Think this is the after reduced selling price. Calculate new selling price. Calculate new contribution per units. And quantity also increased to 90% of its capacity. Therefore, quantity can be calculated. Total contribution minus total fixed cost profit can be calculated. Therefore, there's net impact of profit after reduced selling price. Therefore, answer is a profit decreased by 750,000. Think very important. Relevant for CBT analysis. Selling price is given, quantity is given. It has given capacity also. Current sales quantity equal 80% of its capacity. Therefore, think how to calculate total capacity also. And variable cost has given raw material, direct labor, and variable overheads. It is relevant for 400,000 quantity. Therefore, can be calculated variable cost per units. This is the variable cost per units. It is not changed when quantity increase or decrease. Therefore, question 48, 49, 2013 yellow paper. 13 yellow paper. Therefore, 48 answer. They ask part A, break point quantity equal 100. Part B, they ask margin of safety value And 49, after reduced selling price, there's net impact is profit. Profit decreased by 750,000.